welcome to my video. Last video we have made fish with the coconut leaf. Last video I had given you a hint. Do you remember it? What is my next surprise for me? Let's see. I got a hint. It is related to sky. Now let's see what is the surprise for this video. Hello guys! Finally I have got my surprise bird, which is related to sky. Oh my god, this bird is biting me. Hey, these are my two surprises. One is bird and another one is fish. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click the bell button. Let's go. Bye bye bird. Bye bye fish.